guys can actually see how big or how small it is. I think this is the perfect size, and I love the design that is like kind of retro fridge. I really love this little handle right here. Oh my god, when I do my skincare in the night or in the morning, this is like so freaking cute. I love the design. Actually, I went also for the 4 little design because it's different. Not only smaller, but it's also different. So I really like this, and it has this handle right here so you can carry it. You see, like it's easier to grab. It's really nice. Okay, before I open this fridge, I unboxed it. I took it out of that box, all good. Then I turned back to see how do I turn it on, and I just realized this is just me because I didn't read the whole description. But I'm telling you, because if you are like me, you may have not known that this fridge can be cold but also hot. I didn't know. So this might be useful for something, I don't know what, but it's cool. And it also has this option for you to put it in your car. So it has a plug. Actually, let me show you. Oh my god, yes, I totally forgot about the plug that you can put in your car. Yes, like you can actually put this on your car. So if you're on the go, actually if you're traveling or whatever you call it, you plug it in your car. This is really useful. Now let's go right here and I'll show you what I got inside. Okay, so I actually decided to put it right here in this corner because it's closer to the plug, but you can see it does not take so much space, which I really like it. I think the 4 liter and 10 liter will be like really big, and I don't know, I think this was more than enough. Now let's open. Oh my god, okay, this is so cute. Pull. Oh yes, there you go. Ooh la la. What do we got here? Okay, basically I really like that you can either put or remove this divider. So if you want to put more stuff, definitely removing the divider will be better, but I really like it because it's easier to put little stuff here and larger stuff here. And also it has this little space right here to put smaller things, and also like face mask and all that. But I'm gonna go with you and show you exactly what I got in here and all the things. Let me tell you, all the things that I can fit in here. It's insane how many things can fit in this little fridge. Like really, like let me show you, it's so many things. bye.